guys, welcome back to another weekly vlog or another vlogging video. I'm not really sure what this is going to end up being, but the main thing I'm wanting to get done today is get this bedroom sorted and tidied. It's such a mess. There is clutter everywhere. I haven't even unpacked my suitcase from when I went to London, so there's lots to do, and I thought I would just bring you guys along with me. That might end up being the only thing that's in this video. If that's the case, then, you know, there we go. It is what it is. So I'm gonna just get straight in with it and get this room tidied and organised. It's just, it's cluttering, it's messy, and it's like cluttering up my brain, if that makes sense. So let's get on with it. I'm gonna show you guys what we're working with, and then we're just gonna take it bit at a time, I guess. So that area over there really needs sorting out. And then we've got suitcase with all my stuff. And yeah, it's just a bit of a mess, you guys. So let's get in and get tidied and organised. I'm thinking I'm going to tackle this area first. It gets such a mess within the space of like 2 days. It's insane. I need to try and just keep things tidied and organised. Apparently my battery's dying as well, guys, so I don't know how much I'm actually going to be able to show you, but let's just do this. Jasmine's little head in the way, that's so cute. Oh my god, you are so freaking cute. Probably go away now since it's winter and it's freezing. Yay! So this little area looks so much better now. It's so much less cluttered. I do think there's too much on here though. That it doesn't really all need to be on here. Like, I've got 2 of them. Maybe one of them could go like I don't know, because if I move them then they don't get used either. Like, I need to start using things more. That is nearly run out, and that's nearly run out, to be fair, but I guess that will do. That is a lot better than it was. Moving on then. So what I've done is basically anything that didn't belong, I've moved it. So I've like moved some stuff over there. So what I'm going to do is just take, that's mainly just stuff to go downstairs. So I'm going to take all that stuff downstairs, and then I'm going to move on to the grounding area where there is just clothes and stuff everywhere. You guys, my Makeup Revolution goodie bag. We need to do a haul video with that, well, like an unboxing kind of video. Very exciting. Oh, this has not even been brand new and hasn't even had the tag off it yet. I do need to, at some stage, I actually do need to go through all of my clothes again and get rid of stuff again. Downstairs. Guys, there's just so much stuff. Honestly, it's insane. I'm such a hoarder, it's so bad. Right, so we've got a wash pile there. Hairbrush needs to go in the bathroom. Okay, that's that done. Suitcase, empty. Oh my god, you guys, I don't know if I showed you guys this, but this is my card from Mercedes. I love it. I need to put that up. We're actually, you can't even really see what I'm doing now, can you? But we are actually getting somewhere now, which is good. Finally, feel like I'm getting somewhere. I'm just concerned that my battery's going to die, you guys, but let's just move it down a little bit. All I'm really doing now, what's the matter? Just organising this little corner here with all the shoes and that. Christmas cushion! It's going to be so nearly time to get that out, I can't wait. I'm actually surprised that there is still some charge left in the camera. Yay, it's looking a bit better now, you guys. Time to do some vacuuming. Okay guys, so unfortunately my battery did die while I was halfway through vacuuming, but the room is finished. Well, it's finished for the sake of like what I needed to do. It's so much better now. So much tidier. Feels a lot less like stressed out in here and like cluttery and stuff. So yeah, that's it. The room is done. So that's it, you guys. I hope you did enjoy this video. I've also like just vacuumed out on the landing, vacuumed all the stairs and all that jazz, and yeah, I think that's pretty much it. But yeah, I thought I would just let you guys chill out with me and clean my bedroom, and I think that's going to be it for this video. If you're enjoying these kinds of videos where I do like speed clean kind of things, it's actually working really well for me, because normally I like to like watch something and tidy while I'm doing that and end up taking like 3 hours just to get half of a room tidied, if that makes sense. Whereas I do think when you're doing it like as a speed thing, it's just done and then it's just done with. Do you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna start doing more speed cleans, but whether I film them or not, like that's just gonna be whether you guys want to see them or not. If not, then I won't bother, but if you guys do want to see them, then I can film them and you can come with me. So there are a few more of these cleaning organising videos, because basically I'm trying to get the house ready for Christmas decorations. I am going to be starting doing the Christmas decorations in the next couple of weeks, so I'm very excited about that. So that's kind of the whole reason why I'm trying to do like a little bit of decluttering and a little bit of organising and tidying, so I know where I'm going to be putting the Christmas stuff. So if you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up, leave me some comments down below, let me know what you think about some more of these cleaning videos, and I will see you guys in the next one. Love you, bye.